Yeah, YouTube. Who thought I'd be making a golf video so early? So today is the first. Happy first of the month, you know. It's the first of the month. So firstly, this is my car. Lovey-dovey. We call it lovey-dovey. It's kind of shy right now because traumatic expressions just happened. So let me show you what happened. So firstly, as you can see, you know, okay. Firstly, okay, I have sleeves in. The car's quite low for itself. It's quite low for itself. Got a Cressida lip there. Front bumper. Got LED lights in. Cheap lights in. But then there's this side. As you can see, this side is closer to the side than that side, which is adjusted exactly the same. But traumatic expressions happened right now, like a few minutes ago, as you can see by my hands. Let's switch back to my POV quickly. What's good, chat? It's the next morning. Firstly, here's the plan of the day. Number one, we need to fix up. No, wait, hold on. I'm writing today. Flipping 12 o'clock, 12:30, I'm flipping writing, flipping first paper, business studies. So, we need to get some studying in first. Didn't really study. I slept at about 12:30, 1-ish this morning. It's about 7:05 right now in the morning. Getting some knowledge. After I get some, firstly, we're gonna do the normal duties, get up, have some breakfast, eat, go to the throne, brush your teeth, and then get right back into bed and study. Then go outside, jack up the car, take off the wheel. So firstly, we need to first find out what the real problem is. So my father, the mechanic, as I said in the previous clips, that it could be the lower control arm or it could be the ball joint, he says, came loose. So right now I really hope it's just a ball joint because it'll be so much easier to fix. And then I have to put the bearings in because I still have to go for wheel alignment on the car. So that's going to be the first video of the Golf. And so let me first go get to studying and get the first things done of the day, and then I'll see you later. Okay, so just arrived. So this is the side that is the issue today. So let's get to work. So firstly, before I check up the car, I took a quick look of how it really looks underneath, right? It's really not looking good, Jet. It's really not looking good. Let me show you. So for my POV, that is the the control arm there, right? Now I want to low-key jack it up there because when you jack up the car here, it doesn't lift up the front. So this right here is the lower control arm. I can literally move that shit. So I did phone my father now. So I'm gonna sort that out. I'm gonna jack up the car, take off the wheel, and then yeah. Now that we've got the wheel off, as you can see, has a better view of how it looks. Nah, it's bad. It's bad. So firstly, I need to get this off over here. Let's see if there's any nut at the back. Okay, now I need to take that one off. And there's the one on here I need to take off. And then I need to take that one off. So yeah. So chat, I'm struggling to get this one bolt out here. So I don't know what I'm gonna have to do. I don't know what I'm gonna have to do. So it's a 12, right? But now it looks like on the top here, right? For example, so here on the top, I can't put anything in because of the caliper. So as I saw in the last clip, that doesn't completely in half. Cracked. Gonna make a plan. Okay, it's working. If I get this off, it deserves a like and comment. And subscribe. Mind you, I'm not experienced in animals. So, my mechanic even currently is at extra classes. I'm supposed to be studying for business studies, but for some reason, get this out of the way. Because I did study the basics. You know how it goes. Study for the basics. Okay, I got one off. So I deserve a like and subscribe, right? I'm gonna do this video in sections because you first have to order the what you call it? The CV joint. Not the CV joint, what's it called? What's it called, bro? The low controller. You know that? So we need to get that number one off. Put the washer in. Get the washer in. With the nut, with it. I want to keep everything together, you know that? So, just because of that, I deserve a like and a subscribe. And comment if you want more. I'm gonna take off the low controller and that'll be it for the day until we get the low controller. So chat, so far we got every bolt off the low controller. Got the, I don't know what this thing's called, but got that off as well. Now we just have to take off this big lock nut thing here. Guys, I'm not a mechanic, I don't know what these things are called. So y'all comment down below what it's called, what is what. And so basically just play this in here so it's made, you know, so it doesn't strip apparently. Okay, so let me loosen that and get back. So completely successfully took out the low controller. As you can see, it's in its days. So I guess that'll be it for today and for the first episode of trying to fix the Golf, you know, because I'll want to this. So see you part 2. See you all in the next one though. See you all in the next one. We're not done yet. We ain't done yet. So see you all in the next one.